Hi, my name is Greig McLean. I'm the Customer Support Training Manager here at Rural Energy Enterprises, and today I would like to talk to you about the flue kit for the Toyo stoves. This is a concentric flue. It's going to exhaust through the center, draw its combustion air in. It comes in the box good between 4.5 inches and 9 inches of width. When we have a wall that is thicker than that, then we're going to add a flue extension kit to it. The kits come in 3 different sizes. And here's our sizing chart right here. And so what I have here, I have the small extension kit that's going to allow this flue pipe to fit between a wall that is 9.5 inches to 13.5 inches in thickness. The directions show us how to put this kit together. But what we want to do, we want to take the outside piece, we want to take this inside tube with the bell, we want to put it on there, slightly twisting it as we put it together. Then we're going to screw this section together right here, and we're going to bring this all the way down until it makes contact and sets in there tightly. Now when we bring the flue pipe from the outside to the inside piece, they nest together naturally. It makes a good tight seal on your flue. Remember, the flue needs to be sloped slightly downhill, and we want to make sure that the 2 wires right here are coming down so that they are not directly down below. So we have one over here at the 8 o'clock position, the other one over here at the 4 o'clock position, which is going to allow any moisture here just to drip off down below. By installing your Toyotomi flue in this manner, you'll have a very happy stove. When installing our Toyotomi flue, we want to make sure that we follow the suggested guidelines for clearances. And the suggested guidelines for a Toyotomi stove under NFPA-31 is 9 inches from any opening door or window. And that is in a horizontal plane only. So just make sure that you keep your flue a minimum of 9 to 12 inches away from any opening door or window, and you will be good. Thank you.